What's up, my good people? It's your boy J-Mac with another video, man. Now make sure you smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, man, because I'm telling you, you do not want to miss another video, man. I'm about to be dropping banger after banger after banger, providing y'all the information that y'all need to get into this calisthenics, man. So today we're starting all the way from the beginning, if you're a beginner, all the way up to advanced, man. I'm gonna break down the whole muscle up. So we're gonna start here with a firm grip on the bar. For starters, you want to be able to hold a dead hang for at least 15 seconds. So that's for starters. So next, you're gonna start in the dead hang, and then next is the scapula pull. So just right here on the scapulas, that's the first movement. So you're gonna go scapula to arms to the pull up. So you're gonna go dead hang, scapula, pull, and then next is the transition. Woo! As y'all see, just the transition alone, when you breaking it down, going slow, could be tough alone. And then the fourth step is the dip on top. So we're gonna get here with it, and then we're gonna press all the way up, lock it out, and you have done a muscle up, man. So first things first, if you're an absolute beginner, I'm gonna say come right here to the bar and get into a dead hang, man. You want to do, I would say, I'm gonna say you want to start with about 3 to 5 sets of 10 on the dead hangs, man. So next up, same thing with the scapulas. You want to go here with it, and you want to rep that out to build up that strength. So with that, it's really hard to tell because everybody is different, so I can't really give you a number, but I'm gonna say max out on those, and do that for 3 to 4 sets. I'm gonna say, because that's really building up the foundation of the muscle up. You're working every move of the muscle up. So don't go here. Slow and controlled. So boom, we got our dead hangs, then we have our scapula pulls. Next up is the actual pull-up. So starting the dead hang, you're gonna scapula pull, and then you pull up. So that's 1 rep of that. With this, I'm gonna say try to go for sets of 5. Just max out on your reps, but try to go for a set of 5. So boom, you wanna stop right there, then let 3 be your number. Do 3 sets of 5. So next up, come back through it. We got our dead hang first, then we have our scapula pulls, then we have the actual pull up. Next is the transition to where you actually going to get the triceps over the bar. So for that, I like to just start right at, I like to stop at 3. So you go dead hang, scapula, pull. So I like to start right here and just work on getting myself over. Ideally, you want to get both sides at the same time, like both sides, both of your triceps over at the same time. That's going to be the most cleanest muscle up. But these gloves kind of hindering me too because they got extra grip. But we got the first thing, dead hang, scapula, pull up. So that just go there for reps. Then once you get that, I'm telling you, man, you can go, this really doesn't even have to be at the top of this bar, but since you're working on the muscle up, you might as well go ahead and get up there from this bar. So, or you can go to another bar like that right there and just do the dips. So now we have the last step of the muscle up. Well, actually not the last step, but the last step of the going up on the muscle up. So now we're at the press. So you're going to just go here and work the dips. You want to try to get your chest as close to the bar as you can and press all the way up. And with that, I'm gonna say, depending on your level, that's going to tell you where to start off with your reps. But if you're an absolute beginner, start off with 5 on the dips and try to go for 5 sets of 5, man. I'm telling you, those numbers right there are gonna get you great results if you're a beginner and just trying to get into the routine of anything. 5 sets of 5 will get you right, man. So now you're gonna get a few muscle ups in. Then I'm gonna show y'all, once you master the muscle up, some things that you can do. So let's work, let's get a few reps in. So yeah, that was a few reps on the muscle ups, just the regular standard muscle up. Now I'm going to show y'all a few of the things that you can do to get crazy once you master the muscle ups. Now what I just showed y'all wasn't the most cleanest form, like the strict muscle up, the strict form of muscle up, which will look like this, will look more so like this. See, as y'all see on that one, I kept my legs together. I got a little momentum, but I didn't really get as much. The overall ultimate goal on the muscle up is to get it without the momentum. But that was how to do a muscle up, man. So practice these progressions and do that, and I'm telling you, you're gonna have the muscle up down in no freaking time, man. And that was just a few moves that you could do to get crazy with it. There's countless of moves that you can do, and that's just with the muscle up. So just imagine if you really get into calisthenics and just try it all, man. But hey, man, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and most of all, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications, man. We lit. Let's go.